Hello children, good morning everyone. In today's class, you are going to learn I Dream of Spices poem from Unit 3. This is all about spices, okay? This is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a bark of a tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. And this is betel nut, you know this, right? And this is garlic. Garlic is a small bulb with a strong taste used in a cooking, right? Is it? And ginger, it has so many medicinal values in it. And again, this is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is a gingerly seeds. And then you know this one, is it? This is onion. It also gives a very good flavor to our food. And then next one is tomato. How many of you like tomato, children? Okay, good. In this poem, you are going to learn all about these spices whichever used for cooking, and also it has so much of medicinal values, is it? How many of you like ginger tea like that? So you are going to learn about all these spices. This is like a poem and it is a very easy poem, children. So come, let's move on to today's topic, that is I dream of spices. Spices in the sense we use spices in our food, is it? So in this poem, Raj is the important character. Raj is going to buy all these spices whichever mother tells him, okay? First line of this poem, this is the first stanza. Listen carefully. My mother would say, little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, bitter leaves and ginger and garlic. Already you saw cinnamon, bitter leaves and ginger and garlic, is it? So mother requested little boy Raj to go to Muthu's shop. The shop owner name is Muthu. So mother requested Raj to buy some cinnamon, bitter leaves, ginger and garlic. How many of you go to shop to help your mom? Okay children, very good. Now we move on to next stanza. And so I go to the shops singing all the way. And then when Muthu asked me what did I want, Raj go to shop by singing all the way. In his way, he used to sing whatever the things he want. I rattle off a list. What is the list? That is sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles, like that. He keep on singing all the way. Okay? And back home, mother twist my ears. Why did mother twist his ears? Because he brought wrong things, is it? Mother requested him to buy cinnamon, bitter leaves, garlic and ginger. Is it, children? In first stanza you can see that mother requested Raj to go to Muthu's shop and ask him to buy cinnamon, bitter leaves and garlic and ginger. But by mistake, Raj brought wrong things. That is, he brought some other spices that are sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. So that when he came back to home, his mother twisted his ears. Hooch. Hooch in the sense it is a sound that express pain. This poem is written by Raj Arumugam. Okay. In this poem, important character is Raj and his mother. Little boy Raj. Mother requested little boy Raj to go to shop and buy some spices. What are the spices? Cinnamon, bitter leaves, ginger and garlic. But by mistake, he brought some other spices that are sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. So his mother twisted his ears and he shouted in a pain. Okay? This is how this poem gets over. Today you are going to learn glossary of this poem and also write 2 times, okay? Today you are going to read and write glossary of this poem. This is your today's assignment, children. glossary. First one is cinnamon. Cinnamon means the bark of a tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. Usually cinnamon is being used to make food and it gives very good flavor. Is it? Mainly we use cinnamon in the preparation of brinji or vegetable biryani. Is it, children? How many of you saw this cinnamon? Yeah, very good, children. Now we move on to next glossary of this poem, children. This is a very easy poem. Please listen these glossaries, okay? Today you are going to write all these glossaries 2 times, okay, children? Second one is garlic. Garlic is a small bulb with strong taste used in cooking. We use garlic in cooking. Is it, children? Usually we use ginger garlic paste also. So garlic is a small bulb with a strong taste used for cooking. And then third one is rattle off. Rattle off means receipt. Receipt means to tell. Okay, children? And then fourth one is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds is a gingerly seeds. And then next one is ouch. Ouch means sound that express pain. Usually when your mom beat you means you shouted in your pain. Ooh, ooh, whoosh, like that, right? So that ouch. Ouch means sound that expresses pain. So now all the glossaries are over. You have 5 glossaries totally. Today you are going to read and write all the 5 glossaries. This is a very simple poem, children. This is all about spices. Yeah, little boy named as Raj, he dream of all the spices. This is a dream song and not a as usual song. This is in a dream. He had a dream. In next class, we will see about question answers and 1 mark of this poem. Okay, children? Thank you, everyone. Thank you.